Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to talk about how to start programming. I can't really be professional about this because I am still in starting position, so I'm not at the end. But personally, these things I'm going to tell you help me a lot right now for me. Before I start this video, please leave a like and subscribe. I'm doing YouTube as like a little project to look back on my life and blah 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 blah, but let's get right into the video. Tips that will help you will at least help me when I was starting. I have 6 of these. Number 1, take necessary breaks. You shouldn't grind when you program or when you learn programming. Programming's a little bit different from gaming because you use your brain a lot mathematically and to understand what you're doing. I used to grind 5 to 6 hours a day and ended up learning less, which caused me to have gaps in my knowledge. You need to moderate how much you do, or you're just gonna burn out and hate programming. Number 2, you need to be humble. You need to be able to learn from your mistakes and be modest. If you be too overconfident, you won't grow. You just won't, and I know from experience. You need to be able to admit that you made mistakes, and if you don't know, you should ask questions. Just don't be prideful. Be humble, and you'll grow a lot. Number 3, ask yourself what you actually want to do. Why do you do programming? Why do you want to do programming? You need to identify what you want to do and choose your language accordingly and choose what you want to do accordingly. I went into JavaScript because I loved the style and the code and the structure of the code. It was really fun, and also because it was my first language ever. But we all know it's for the money. It's for the money. But yeah. Number 4, take Udemy courses, specifically data structure courses, and use that knowledge to reinforce your skills. You should take courses on Udemy about data structure because that is just the biggest thing. You need to understand it in order to go further in programming. Programming isn't only coding. You need to know how data works and how it's structured. You should also reinforce your skills by trying to solve questions from HackerRank. By doing this, you can actually become way more confident in your skills. I'm not saying I'm perfect or I'm a good programmer. I'm still, a noob, but I felt like I had more confidence after I did my data structure courses and learned about data structure and did some problems on HackerRank. It'll help a lot. Number 6, and this is the last one, but this is also the hardest one. Look for a mentor. In order to be a good coder, you need to look for a good mentor or a teacher or someone who can teach you. Having a mentor is just a very big asset for your programming skills. You can find mentors by going to coding meetups or finding friends on Twitter. It may be a high jump and just hard to achieve, but if you can, it will be very, very big for your growth. I met my mentor at a coding meetup and he was helpful, really helpful. I grew a lot after I met him and after he taught me, and he still does, and I feel like I am still growing a lot because of him. Well, that wraps up all my videos. It's short, but I'll try and improve my contents. Please leave a like, subscribe, and if you have anything you want me to talk about or any suggestions, please comment down below. Bye.